Hello, and welcome to Corporate Insights Holistic Financial Analysis Capabilities webcast, where I'll be discussing how firms in the robo-advisor space incorporate holistic financial analysis capabilities into their secure site platforms. My name is Amna Azam, and I'm a Senior Research Associate at Corporate Insight. And with that, let's get started. First, a little bit about Corporate Insight. For almost 35 years, CI has provided actionable competitive intelligence and customer experience analysis to leading financial services, insurance, and healthcare firms. On this slide, you can see the four high-level core offerings we have available. All of our services help clients track and analyze industry trends, maximize competitive advantages, and improve prospect and member journeys. Our Monitor service is a subscription-based research service that focuses on the end-to-end experience of customers and prospects. We offer Monitor services in 22 verticals, from brokerage and banking to insurance and healthcare. In our experience benchmarks, we provide customized benchmarking analysis against your competitors to help you uncover key improvement opportunities. We also offer consulting services, leveraging benchmarking, quantitative survey work, and qualitative research through an expert team that conducts user testing to help you identify key customer needs and pain points. You can learn more about all of our services at corporateinsight.com. Today, I will discuss a recent report from our Digital Advice Monitor that can show you a glimpse of the kind of research we provide for our clients. This slide includes the research methodology we use to guide the report, with a table here highlighting our main focus areas. Our analysis does not include firms that only support basic aggregation features like external account linking and balance displays. Instead, we focus on the secure site features that synthesize internal and external account information to then offer a holistic view of a client's finances through net worth, total portfolio, or cash-related analyses. The next part of the presentation will focus on some of the key findings we identified in our research. As you can see, our first key finding highlights how firms allow investors to select which accounts to include in their analyses for a customized view. This is because, regardless of how robust firms' holistic analysis experiences may be, they cannot account for the exact needs of every client they have. Investors may want to gain insight into specific versions of their portfolios or view their spending for a specific set of accounts, and flexible input options allow them to tailor their analysis accordingly. Almost all firms in our report allow investors to choose which accounts to include in their analyses, offering customized views without requiring that they unlink external accounts. Some firms go a step further with the capacity to create and manage custom groups, helping investors revisit outputs without manually excluding individual accounts every time they want to run a new analysis. Among all firms we observed in the report, UBS serves as a standout example of how firms can effectively introduce account grouping options into their analyses. As you can see from the image here, the firm uses intuitive design elements that let investors create, manage, and customize multiple account groups from a central location. Investors can then easily switch between different versions of their budgets or spending analyses without parsing through the full list of connected accounts. For our second key finding, we found that firms typically limit holistic portfolio analysis to composition and risk data. Holistic analysis capabilities provide investors with a complete overview of their portfolios, helping them better understand how different assets and securities in their portfolio perform collectively. While all firms in our report aggregate balances, only 67% of firms offer a holistic portfolio analysis, which typically includes holdings, asset allocation, and risk breakdowns. These analyses can help investors determine what changes they may need to make to their total portfolios in terms of weightings and identify opportunities for reallocation across accounts. However, firms typically do not extend their analysis beyond composition, with only a handful of competitors evaluating holistic performance, cost, and income. Without deeper analysis, investors may lack the critical insights needed to make decisions about their portfolios. As you can see on this slide, Empower stands out from competitors with a highly detailed portfolio analysis that incorporates both internal and external account information. In addition to providing aggregated account balances on the dashboard, the firm offers a dedicated portfolio page that covers areas like performance, risk assessment, and historical value. Our next finding is about how firms use clients' liability information. We found that all firms allow clients to link external liabilities to their account, which most firms at least use to inform a holistic net worth analysis. The ability to link liabilities additionally presents the opportunity for firms to help investors understand and manage their debt, from loans, mortgages, or credit cards that may be dragging their net worth down. Debt in particular poses a challenge to retirement savings, which our most recent survey research revealed to be the most prioritized goal among robo clients. However, only a third of firms support a more targeted debt analysis that could help clients free up cash and contribute more to their savings goals. In offering targeted debt analysis, firms can also subsequently promote additional resources like budgeting tools that may establish healthier spending habits as investors manage their debt balances. Firms like Fidelity and SoFi provide dedicated interfaces that include a holistic view of liabilities, as you can see on this slide. SoFi notably includes more than just a breakdown of debt accounts, with its debt summary page incorporating recommended payoff strategies and offering an avenue for tracking repayment progress. Fidelity similarly provides an aggregated debt tab on its full view platform, which generates an appropriate paydown strategy. Vanguard, on the other hand, does not offer a holistic view of liabilities, but does provide a debt payoff calculator for robo clients. This tool automatically populates with linked debt account information and then generates investors to manually input a few additional details to generate multiple payoff strategy options. Lastly, we found that firms typically do not integrate insights and recommendations within the projected analyses. While a holistic view of their portfolio is helpful for clients, some investors may not recognize issues or opportunities when it comes to allocation and expenses. Given that clients, especially those without an access to an advisor, look to their robo providers for investment guidance, offering direct observations about clients' total portfolios could help firms further establish the value of the relationship. Additionally, providing relevant recommendations can encourage asset consolidation. Despite this opportunity, less than half of firms in this report integrate insights into their holistic investment analyses. Moreover, firms that support cash analysis could go beyond simply aggregating income and expense data by identifying spending or saving trends and making suggestions to help clients free up cash to meet their investing goals. Only around half of firms in this report offer insights related to spending and budgeting, while fewer firms do so for broader cash flow analyses. In most cases, firms simply identify spending trends or notify clients when they have exceeded their budgets, failing to directly support investors in their financial decision-making and goal achievement. Vanguard serves as a straightforward example of integrating insights into analysis. Relevant pages provide direct observations about portfolio weightings and their impact on the investor's long-term strategy, highlighting risk factors when applicable, but generally avoiding recommendations for addressing those risks. Meanwhile, Empower's investment checkup tool offers a more comprehensive analysis with outputs centered around specific recommendations that align with the client's long-term strategy, a practice that transforms it from an analysis-only tool to a resource complete with firm expertise and personalized suggestions. To summarize, holistic financial analysis capabilities provide robo-clients with a comprehensive evaluation of their financial health. Firms can rely on account aggregation to provide a holistic look into areas like investment or spending, so investors can make more informed decisions when planning. we find that most firms allow investors to select which accounts to include in their analyses for a customized view. In terms of data, firms typically limit holistic portfolio analysis to composition and risk information. All firms allow clients to link liabilities, but few offer a targeted debt analysis that could help them free up cash and subsequently contribute more to their savings goals. And finally, firms largely shy away from supplementing analysis with insights and recommendations, despite robo-advisors being well equipped to offer clients targeted advice and financial guidance. To end, I want to share our previous and upcoming Digital Advice Monitor reports. In the past, we have conducted in-depth research on topics like unique and innovative features that highlight features that enhance the digital experience but are uncommon across our coverage set, as well as evaluated the availability and quality of goal planning tools and resources. In Q4, you can expect to see our final report for the year, which will track and analyze industry trends and pace of change in the robo-advice landscape to identify firms' focus areas in terms of digital enhancements and product changes. Here you can find our contact information. If you would like any further details about our services, please visit our website at corporateinsight.com, or you can connect with us using the email address on the slide. Thank you for watching.